Claire's self-service process is completely transparent for the agency. If you want to see Claire converse with your travelers in real time, just log into the chat center with your agent account. Then navigate to the queues in the upper right and click on the automation queue. Click on the traveler whose conversation you would like to see in real time and just watch the conversation unfold. While Claire is talking to the traveler, you can check out their personal details, their travel policy, their past bookings, and their past conversations on the platform. If you want to assign a traveler to yourself at any point in time, you can click the Assign to Me button in the upper right of the chat window. Until you do this, the chat will be grayed out as you are a silent observer to the conversation. If you click on the Assign to Me button, the conversation turns blue and you are able to chat with the traveler yourself. You can also see the flights that Claire has suggested to the traveler by clicking on the blue little egg symbol on the lower part of the chat window. So you have the exact same information that the traveler has as well. After you're done assisting the traveler, make sure to resolve the conversation. This is how you monitor an ongoing chat conversation between the Claire AI and a traveler. And if you want to, that's how you can assign them to yourself to join the conversation.